In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Asana reporting dashboards. Navigating through your Asana dashboards might seem daunting at first, but with this guide, you'll quickly get the hang of it. These reporting dashboards are powerful tools that can provide an overview of your team's progress, project statuses, and more, all in one place. So, let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening Asana on your preferred web browser and logging into your account. Once logged in, head over to the left-hand side of the Asana interface. Here, you'll see the Reports option. Click on it to access the reporting dashboards. It's crucial to note that the dashboard feature might be located within your specific project, so if it's not immediately visible, navigate to the project for which you want to create or view a dashboard. Now that you've located the Reporting Dashboard section, you'll encounter various options for creating a report. At this stage, you should consider what information is most valuable to your team. Do you need insights into task completion rates or perhaps a breakdown of project timelines? The choice is yours. Selecting the right metrics is key to creating an effective dashboard. After determining your metrics, it's time to select your dataset. Asana allows you to pull in information from various parts of your projects, so you'll want to carefully choose datasets that align with the goals of your report. This is essential for gaining the insights you need to make informed decisions. Next, customize the layout of your dashboard. Asana provides flexibility when it comes to arranging charts and graphs, so take full advantage by moving these elements around until you find the layout that best presents your data. This visual customization is powerful for communicating data clearly to team members who may not be as familiar with the details. Now, it's time to create custom charts. Look for the option to add these at the top or within sections of your dashboard. Custom charts give you the ability to represent data in a way that is most meaningful for your project's context. Whether it's bar charts showing task completions by team member or pie charts depicting the percentage of work completed, these visuals can drastically improve the interpretability of your data. Finally, be sure to save your progress regularly. Asana allows you to save dashboards for future use, ensuring that you can revisit these insights anytime you need them. Sharing the dashboards with your team can also foster better communication regarding project statuses and any potential challenges that may arise. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can transform raw data into clear, actionable insights using Asana reporting dashboards. Totally efficient, right? Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you leverage your dashboards to their fullest potential.